to the channel, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. This Hellcat right here. It's like my first time coming over here in this pack too. What system you got on it? What you got banging right there?
Got like 315, 312.
Oh,
I don't know what the fuck.
that shit loud.
Yeah, nice, huh, bro?
Oh shit, that was clean. It's gonna rain over. Trying to pack and shit. Got Challenger, Charger. Get it right here. I go. Really got them radios and shit. She say she like girl. Got my ice around my wrist. She rolling on my head. The fans and everything. What system you got? 1612. Ah, damn. You got fans and everything? That's your plan. What trick of those you have?
Mine is the
Hell yeah, the Trackhawk and shit. See the color, pearl, changing colors. That's your whip? What you got on there? For both times or what? For both times?
No, yeah, it's all stock.
Oh, it's all just the intake?
Yeah, just
no ported work, nothing?
Nah.
Just like show car or what?
Somewhat, yeah.
It's a 6'4" or?
Yeah, it's a 6'4".
Oh, clean. You got an IG so they can follow you?
Yeah. It's BME.MEE392.
Y'all go follow him.
Yeah.
Clean ass whip. Yeah. You having a good time or what?
Yeah. We're all the way from Chicago. So.
Oh, Chicago? It's pretty lit and packed. Hell yeah.
There's one tomorrow too.
Where? Here? You got the. We got Venom 620. Dang, this shit's clean.
Somebody said me and keep forgetting she got it. Just waiting. I know. She ran.
I came all the way from Dallas for this. I'm telling y'all, there's a lot of YouTubers over here. Like for real. I got this marrow from. We got people from Michigan, Chicago. It's gonna rain or what? Another YouTuber. Chameleon color, 392 Marco. Oh, clear. Ain't the lost pulled up and shit.